Hello everyone, this is John here, and I'm here to talk to you about Google Meet and give you a tutorial on how this can be used for our virtual learning environment. Google Meet is a video conferencing app that is generally designed for businesses, but can still prove to be very useful for CCA. It's a simple way to virtually connect students with teachers. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Alright, so to access Google Meet, all you have to do is go up to your waffle icon, and then click on the Meet icon and make sure that you're signed into Google. Okay, from here hit join or start a meeting, and we can call it whatever. So tech session, that'll work. Okay, and as you can see, the webcam and microphone are already working, and that's because I hit the allow pop-ups up here. So make sure to hit allow to both of those, and that way your webcam and microphone will be working for this. What I recommend is hitting join now. Okay, and then here's where you add your students. So ideally what you want to do is put all of your students in a Google group and then add that group into here. For this example, I'll just use a student that we have, just student 1. And I have a Chromebook right next to me with them signed in. So this invite will send them an email. Okay, and I just got it. So it says, happening now, Jonathan Meyer is inviting you to a video meeting. And then below it has a join meeting button. So all they have to do is click on that. And then once they do that, they have to do the same thing that you did, was hit allow for webcam and the microphone, and everything will work properly. So then they hit join now one more time when they get to that spot. And then all of a sudden you'll see their webcam. And to switch back, all you have to do is click on your little person icon up here and then click on your account. So in case you want to check out their webcam, you can click on their account. So there you go. And you'll notice right off the bat, you're going to get a lot of noise from like all the students that you put in, or at least once they get connected. So once they do that, click on this drop down arrow, and you're probably going to want to mute them. Okay, it'll just be easier. Okay, and then you can just start chats on here. Just have like a whole classroom chat session on this as well. So like check in, stuff like that. You can do whatever, obviously. All right, so from there, let's go back to that person icon, and if you miss any students, you can click the add people, and it'll look just like what we started out as. Okay. From here, all you have to do is just click anywhere on your person, and then this bottom bar will show up. So you can either mute yourself for any reason, or you can turn off your camera, and it'll just show the your Google icon. And you can also turn on captions if you really want to. It'll record your voice and then obviously just put captions below. And then a more useful thing will be this present now button. And you can present your entire screen or just a window, and you can pick a program on your computer that you have open. Let's just do the entire screen for now. And you have to make sure that you click on the screen and then hit share. So not only are they seeing your face, but they're seeing like the entire computer screen. And then from here you can just go to a different tab, go to YouTube or whatever you'd like. Yeah, just endless ways of going about this. But that's pretty much all there is to this. It's pretty simple. Yeah, I encourage all of you guys to go out and test it out before just going right into it. Test it out with other teachers, get used to it. I think you're good from there. All right, thanks a lot for listening.